Hello everyone, you are welcome on my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila and this is my new top. As you can see, it's got two colors. I decided to make it in two colors. One gray, one side is in gray, the same pattern but gray, and another side is white and the same pattern. These are the sleeves. I've made them on purpose to be large and sexy when I wear it, like this, like so. This is a neckline enough to fit my head, and this is the stitch. As you can see, I've made it very nicely. I've made it careful. I stitched it very carefully. I used number 6 thickness of needles, and as you can see, it's all done by hand. Let me show you. This side is gray, so it's the opposite. So you get white here, gray here on top, and it's also a top that you can wear either way. So you see the contrast of the two colors. So you can wear either way, or the front to be gray or the front to be white. And I absolutely love this blouse, this top. It's all simply done. I wish I can have more space to show you. So this is a sideways, this is the armhole, this is the side, and this is the arm. This is obviously the top of the sleeves. This is the neckline. It's stretchy. As you can see here, it's stretchy. I've used quite big big size needles. It's actually number 6, so it creates like quite a nice airy design. As you can see here. In white is also equally as nice as in gray. It's absolutely stunning. I love it, and it's especially good, this top, this pattern, this design, in the summertime when it's quite warm, soggy or breezy or anything. It would just be absolutely wearable. And I'm going to wear this top on my main channel, Anna Vanila Arts. No, Anna Vanila. This video will be on Anna Vanila Arts, and you can see on me on my main channel, Anna Vanila, and you will see from every angle how it actually looks on me and how it stretches on the body. You see, it's like that. It's like a pleat. I think it's stunning. I love it. I love it so much, especially with jeans. I think it would look stunning. And this design is very simple. This pattern is very simple. It's only about you do a purl stitch, then you do two loops together as a stitch, and then you do the purl stitch again. So it's very simple. You just repeat the same pattern over and over again. It's very simple, and it can produce such a wonderful effect, wonderful pattern like this one. Airy, it's very airy. Obviously it has to be washed by hand because it's fragile, and the yarn, by the way, is cotton, so it will take a while for it to dry after you wash it. You need to be washing it by hand in probably lukewarm water. Yeah, not any hot or cold water, because it might damage the garment. But if you do it by hand on normal temperature, it would just look fine. I absolutely love this design. Even when it's not stretchy, it's beautiful. It's like X's here, and when you stretch, it's like it aerates like that, like so. Thank you very much, my friends, my fans, my subscribers, for watching and subscribing to my channels, and love to hear more ideas about what you would like to see in my videos. Please leave comments, and don't forget that I love you lots, and please subscribe, and see you in the next video coming up soon. Bye.